Hi, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to create your own Sprunki mod and turn your ideas into a custom character step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click the first link in the description and you'll land on the itch.io website on the Sprunki page. This page hosts the original Sprunki files, which act as the base project you need before making any changes. Step 2. Click the first Sprunki result from the search results on the page. This makes sure you are opening the correct and most reliable version of the Sprunki project. Step 3. On the Sprunki page, click the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. This file includes all the assets, characters and code required to edit and build your own OC. Step 4. Click the second link from the description and you'll be redirected to the Scratch website. Scratch is the platform where you'll upload the Sprunki file and customize everything. Step 5. Click on the Create button at the top of Scratch to start a new project. This opens the Scratch editor, which is the main workspace for editing games. Step 6. Click on File in the top menu and select Load from your computer. This option lets you import a downloaded project file into Scratch. Step 7. Choose the Sprunki file you downloaded earlier and upload it. After loading, the full Sprunki project will appear inside the Scratch editor. Step 8. Once the project loads, click on the Costumes tab. This section controls how characters look, including shapes, colors, and designs. Step 9. Scroll down to browse through the available costumes. These are the existing Sprunki character designs you can use as a starting point. Step 10. Click on the costume you want to customize for your OC. Selecting it allows you to edit visuals, change colors, and adjust shapes to match your idea. Step 11. Scroll further to explore animations and customization options. This step helps you fine-tune movements and visuals so your Sprunki OC feels unique and personal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tutorials.